This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Nelly Perez. Check out this currently occupied patio home at this attractive price. This 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms house needs some updates. Property is sold as is the seller is not going to pay for repairs. Buyers to verify all information in this listing including, but not limited to size, tax, etc. This property has a new roof replaced in March 2021 with a very nice vinyl floor throughout the entire house including closets. Property has a nice private view with a seating area at the front of the house. 2 cars garages. 3 of the largest window in the house were replaced and a French sliding door as well. For more information, review the details below or contact Nelly Perez at 281-392-9272.